Qingdao Qinghang Plastic Machinery Company Limited is a technology-based enterprise specializing in the production of complete sets of plastic processing equipment and various plastic pipe molds, integrating scientific research, development, manufacturing, sales, and services. We specialize in the research, development, design, and manufacturing of complete plastic extrusion solutions, guided by the philosophy of high quality, efficient products, and fast, sincere service. Our company has grown rapidly and built a strong independent research and development team with advanced engineering capabilities. Our product portfolio covers a wide range of extrusion machinery, including PP pipe production lines, PVC pipe extrusion lines, PE corrugated pipelines, plastic sheet and board making machines, WPC and PVC profile extrusion lines, and various customized plastic processing equipment. All machines are designed for stable performance, high output energy efficiency, and long service life, meeting the production demands of water supply, drainage, construction, packaging, and industrial applications. With years of continuous innovation and strict quality control, our company has earned a solid reputation in global markets. Our equipment is widely exported to Southeast Asia, South Asia, the Middle East, Africa, South America, North America, Eastern Europe, and Western Europe, serving customers in municipal engineering, building materials, and industrial manufacturing sectors. As a trusted partner in the plastic extrusion industry, we are committed to delivering reliable technology, professional technical support, and comprehensive after-sale service to help customers achieve long-term success. We welcome you to visit our factory, explore our solutions, and build a mutually beneficial partnership.